Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if you see on your computer the iPhone could not be restored, so how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing, just try to update your phone. So just go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find general. In the general, just open software update, just wait until it will check for updates, and if you see here download and install, just tap on it and submit installing updates on your iPhone. And if it doesn't help you, can also try to restore your device. Just go back to the general. In the general, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. Also, you can try to make force restart on your phone. So it depends on model of iPhone you have, because I will tell you an example of iPhone with Face ID, iPhone X, 11 and 12. So on this model of iPhone you just need to press on high volume button, then a low volume button, and just keep and hold power button until you will see here black screen. So when you will see black screen, just release your finger from power button, and after you need to see Apple logo. So when you will see Apple logo, it means that you successfully made force restart. And if it doesn't help you, just try to uh, tap on Apple logo, just choose restart, and just restart your computer. And if it doesn't help you, just go to App Store, and here you need to tap on updates, and if you see here available updates, just tap on update all and install new updates for your system. So this is the way how you can also do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.